Okay, let me share my screen. Screen. Okay. So when you are able to see my screen, please let me know.
Yeah, I'm able to see.
Okay. So first, let me open the master. And could you tell me which topics we are doing a practical right now?
That Naukri.com kind of portal, right? Like a lot of resumes are coming to us. So manually sorting and manually doing it is a tedious task. So agent will apply the intelligence here, correct?
No, that's fine. That's a idea, project idea. But we covered theory part. Am I right? So I'm talking about those topics which we are working on in our project currently.
Okay. So we can say prompting and tool usage.
Yes,
Tool, I mean, how to call the tools, tool calling, prompt chaining,
yes.
and structured output.
Okay. What else? We covered three things, if I'm not wrong.
Mm,
Structured output is a, you can say, last part where we need to do the output or structure of the output. Am I right?
N8, I remember then N8 we have taken lot of model. No. Mm,
After that, we start this module, and first in our first day we will discuss only theory. We will say,
uh,
and with plant we will do that later. I mean, sequences classes we will cover the practical only, and this is second class. Am I right?
okay.
Uh, So in this manner, and do we have that OpenAI key with us or no? Hello, Raghav.
Code that day we took, right? Yeah, I think it is. Yes, yes.
But that's a free one. As you get a chance to go with the paid one.
Mm, no, because I have not tried the free one, right? So it has some somewhat like the, I mean, tokens we can use of it, right? Quota is there, no?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. I will try to take the repo today and yeah, instead of then.
Okay, no worries.
So in this particular project, are we using LLM right now? I mean,
If yes, definitely, because
uh,
right now, till now, we are doing everything with the simulation only. Am I right?
huh, okay.
So that's why I believe we require a key. So that
Key,
rather than doing simulation, why will not whatever tooling we need to do,
actual.
weather or currency converter. So that need to be done by decision should be taken by LLM, not just for code, just by code. Am I right?
Hmm.
So now it's building, and if when its building is done, then it will run our project.
Until then, Deepak, can you tell like what exactly this is doing? Because it generated three modules, right? This is the third module, na?
Third module. So
Mm,
for that, we are covering all these. Means based on a prompt, we will mention, hey, we will need to cover these things. We need to showcase this part of it. Okay. If you want a 50 random photo pictures, that's first one. First, okay. Don't, First, we need to test both the things. Both are working there or not, and what is the API there. Am I right?
yes.
Without checking that or verifying the things, we cannot move ahead. Run host. So you are able to see both are running. It's a backend and it's a front end.
Front end. How is cursor in compared to Copilot? Till then, just I mean, out of curiosity.
Mm. Sorry, come again.
No, just I mean, we can maybe take it later also.
Uh, Front end by things. Means it's you can say Microsoft have their own ecosystem, am I right? And
Mhm.
you can say VS Code is from Microsoft only, and this you can say uh, Copilot is a product of Microsoft itself, and GitHub is also a product of Microsoft. Am I right?
Mhm.
So that's why I mean then most of the means more means in a corporate some of the company use Windows only because they trust on Microsoft for security and other thing. Rather than using you can say this open source Linux and thing they will prefer to use you can say Microsoft and Azure. That's why you can say as per my understanding this Copilot have a you can say large data. So if it's a large data, then you can say it will have a lot of use cases. Am I right to cover?
Hmm.
And means whomever Microsoft client, they are using this. Okay.
Okay.
So definitely credibility of Copilot is more rather than the cursor. Am I right?
Okay.
So now you are able to see means it's doing everything. Just we need to give a permission, just like 1 to 3.
Hmm.
as easy as 1 to 3. Am I right?
Oh, yes, it is building right now.
It's fixing the error because
Error. Yeah.
earlier, yes, earlier I mean just say, hey, we are getting this error. Now it's give us this URL which you can use. Now this is a default page. Okay,
Okay.
it's a default page, and if we talk about this, live backend API expert search API is running. Okay,
Okay.
but now we need to check that means what APIs are working and is this aligned as per a requirement or not? Am I right?
Okay.
So for that we need to have that you can say that prompt which is used that time. Am I right?
Hmm.
If it's not there, how we will communicate to the cursor? We are looking for this, and could you verify? Could you do that? Am I right? You understand my point?
Yes. Deepak, I could not find this in our GitHub repo, this document.
As I told you, I will push this on your Google Drive.
Google. Okay.
Okay. I will fulfill automation, API response. This is API response. And build the materials. And control, build the action, design, target creation, automation, step by step material. Okay. Now from pen class material. So I think we are working on a phase one. Phase one will be the post starts no more window return. You say cursor, Mati. Cursor. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So which will give to the cursor pattern. Required feature for in-depth API prompt engineering. MongoDB storage, backend architecture, workflow important, this one. Interest customizer. Okay, we have this final development use. You understand? This thing you require. Otherwise, if you don't have this, then you need to mean how you will communicate to the cursor. Am I right?
Okay.
That's uh, first. So right now we are focusing on a one part backend only. Okay. Because if we will try to cover both, then maybe we are not able to complete the things. So that's why we will check the first, means it's working there or not, because it will not ask us for any database DB string. Am I right? So if it's not, you can say, asking any database connection, how we can assume it's done? Backend is complete. You understand my point?
So MongoDB is already installed.
If
Is
even though it's installed, but for connectivity, it's required connection string.
okay.
You understand my point?
Okay.
If it's not asked, you can say connection string from us. How we can say it's working?
But schema and all in MongoDB, that cursor will only create, or we will have to create it.
Cursor will do, but whatever you can say credential required, it will ask. It will
It
rely
will
on a
ask.
human us. Yes, it will rely on
Oh,
us.
okay.
Okay.
Okay. So we are just right now doing the backend coding, and yeah.
Because there is no means for me it's not means there is no means to move ahead without validating the things. Am I right?
Okay.
If we will do that, then that's why I'm just we are right now we are focusing on a back end of it.
Okay.
You understand my point?
So how we will validate it? Like
Because we
using
have a
like,
document. Am I right? And we give a instruction, just focus on a back end. So we will ask means when back end is done, then we will ask, we will request to the cursor, please provide us a collection to test our API.
okay. Okay.
And when we have a collection, then we will do some CRUD operation with our API. Am I right?
Hmm.
And doing that CRUD operation, you can see now it's asking for key. You understand my point? In this app config.json, it's asking for key. You understand? This
Okay.
key. Okay.
Because
So
I want to understand like why it is asking the key. Just to be clear. I mean, for what exact purpose it is asking?
if you check our document, so we will mention we require these, we have these things, and whatever you can say system we are going to build, you can choose these things. Am I right? Cursor. We are instructing cursor. So that's why it's taking that key so that it will use a mind. You can see
Hmm.
latest lightweight production model. You understand my point? So wherever mind require, then open AI work there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
For our case, like for what business purpose exactly we are using key is
So business purpose, this project is our business objective. So for that means for this particular stack, we are, you can say AIML, OpenAI model, tools available, cursor, this, okay. So in a module 3, these are the objectives. Intake system with the input raw vendor test JSON, AI convert to a structured JSON. You understand my point? Vaibhav? Hello? Vaibhav, are you there? What happened, Vaibhav?
Internet, I go lost the connection.
No worries. No.
So yeah, yeah.
So I am saying if you check this document, they are
Mm-hmm.
saying user will give us a raw input. Okay.
Okay,
And AI will convert that raw into JSON.
okay,
You
okay. So
understand my point?
for this
And
purpose, AI key will be required.
yes, because if AI not there, how it will convert to how we will understand what need to be converted and in which format it need to be converted. Am I
Okay,
right?
so raw input will be given by. Okay, got it. Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Because otherwise, if raw input is not
So
there,
shall
yes,
I shall I like transfer you some? You can purchase the API key on my behalf. I will transfer you maybe.
it's
Uh,
totally up to you. It's totally up to you.
so can you like take it now? Maybe you can share me then. Uh, because
Oh,
I have not downloaded it, so I can assume, right? Because unnecessary your tokens will be used then.
that's not an issue. Means I will tell you, hey, this is a budget, this is a quota, and we spend for your task, we'll spend this much. Am I right?
But how to
That's also
calculate the amount, right? It will be tough.
no worries. We if we have a trust on each other, then it's easy. If
Oh,
there is a trust issue, then it's a hard. You
okay.
understand my point? You understand my point or not?
Yeah, sure, sure. Yeah.
But if you want to use this in a future,
Mm-hmm.
then I think so. Then I will purchase for you. That's not an issue. Okay. If you
Yeah,
want to use in a
I
future.
want to use in future. Like once I download this particular solution, na, I will try to experiment on my side. So I will anyway need the key.
Yes, that's right. No worries. I will help you there. So
Okay.
that I want you will do that by your own. Okay. So that you know how you can get and how you will means set up your payment account. And otherwise, if I will do, then I need to use everything mine. Am I right?
Okay. Okay.
You understand my point?
Okay. Fine. Yeah.
Because in future you want to use that thing. So it's better if you have owned everything.
Mm-hmm.
And everything is intact with you.
So we have provided the key right now, or
No, no, no. Right now we are just making the backend, and
okay.
we will change the things when it's done. Means hey, now everything is worked, and we are able to see. With the error only means the JSON, this file is not there, or that file, that key is missing. Then we will provide that. Right now we are just checking the. You can say project is set up correctly or not, and we are able to run backend there or not. Maybe with the default values only. You understand my point?
Yes. Yes.
We are able to see this repositories, models,
Okay.
raw, analyze. Okay. Flow, path, JSON, various. Okay. So is running. Now let's check this. It's a analyze is there. So we need to, you can say open key is missing because, okay, if you go this, if key not there, it will warn us, hey, this key is missing. Okay,
Okay.
you understand my point?
Okay.
So let's check that. Check that. No. Yeah.
Service is not running.
If it's not running, then no, it's running.
It is running. Okay. So that Swagger page also will be generated, right? I mean, okay.
I think so. For that, I think so. We need to analyze the code failure not found. Mm, API post lead backend okay. Requirement analysis number artist. Okay. Okay. Requirement analysis. Okay. Let me test this. Yep. Okay. So let me do one thing. Please. Uh, that time. Okay. So it will create a, you can say, collection for us, which we can use for backend testing.
Okay.
Okay. Add a Bruno collection for your test. This. Okay. Let me, you can see this backend Bruno rotation. Open collection folder, Bruno, backend Bruno, and select local environment, one in order. I'll check. Okay. Let me do this. Export. Okay. Export in File Explorer. And you can be made to Bruno. This is like Postman. Bruno is nothing, it's a Postman. It will work on a local only. Okay.
Okay.
So, import collection. And choose a file. Mm, Add Bruno collection file, Bruno test backend Bruno this. Bruno backend Bruno select local. Run in a order. How we can use, how we can import in Bruno. Open collection, okay. We're saying open collection, not import collection. Open collection. Open collection. Which is I don't know JSON. Close the Bruno tab for this collection, reopen the collection folder. This select open environment again. Open collection. Bruno JSON. Okay. Okay. Yes. Now you are able to see means web of here you are able to see this planning next move. Agent is plan. How is need to move ahead. Makes sense.
Okay.
You understand my point? Here you are able to see planning. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
Planning next moves. Okay, let me check this if it will work for us. Um, Unspotted for meat. What is this? As you suggest, let's create a Swagger endpoint.
Okay.
Now you understand why we require, you can say, validation on each and every step.
Ah, right, right.
We cannot rely blindly on AI.
Mm. So whatever code it has written, we need to validate it also first. So
Yes. And after each and every change, we need to validate.
okay.
We cannot trust.
Hmm. So right now we are doing it for backend. Yeah.
Yes. If backend is ready, then we can go for front
Front.
end.
Ha.
If there is a problem with the backend, how we can go ahead for front end? Am I right? So this is Swagger URL, Swagger UI, OpenAI JSON. So now it's fine. Am I right?
Okay. Okay. It is open. Okay.
Try it. Try it. Then let's say by list of .NET .NET. So it's saying API key is missing. Configure API key. You understand my point?
Hmm.
So now it's working, but we need
Uh,
your API key.
no, but I want to know like why at this point API key is needed. Like provide list of these, right? So it will go and query the database, right? But
Understand this thing. Just read this once carefully.
okay.
Just read this.
Raw vendor text post. We have given the raw text as provide me list of .NET candidates. Okay. 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 This is input. Uh, Hmm. Else we would have given the okay, some proper thing in input. Okay. Convert to
Means it's not our, you can say, right now we are doing means, hey, whatever you know, just give us. And mind will take a decision.
Ha. No, yeah. Suppose AI is not there, then we would have given some proper JSON format input there, right?
Definitely.
Like,
Definitely.
ha. But now the task of converting to JSON will be done by the mind. That
Yes.
means, yeah. And for that, key is required. Okay. Now I got the context. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. So I will generate the key. I mean, I will do it. I will. Yeah.
You can
Till.
just give me your key so that we can do that. Just we will stop sharing and use that key so that
Okay.
we can check that back and hey, it's working fine or not. You understand my point?
Okay. I will do it.
So
Yeah.
now
So
you are able to see this here we need to update and here we need to update at two places. Okay.
okay. Okay.
So
Uh,
let me do
yeah.
one
So
thing.
Deepak, till this point, I will just try to do at my end, and maybe today itself, and I will generate the key and try to do it like till now here by myself. Uh,
Okay, right now we have a 7 minutes. Let's give us a command to and now please focus on front end. Front end. Okay,
okay.
as per
Plan.
our
Plan.
instruction.
Okay.
Instructions. Okay, because right now if you check the front end, it's showing only dummy thing,
Hmm.
template, default template. Okay.
Yes. So automatically the files are getting written in. I mean, right now they are blank or something, but the code is getting written or updated. Right.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
You are able to see it's writing everything.
Okay.
You are learning cursor as well.
Yes.
Annotate, cursor, OpenAI, .NET. It's a full package. Am I right?
Hmm.
But you need to do practice. Without practice, it will not helpful for you.
Hmm.
Okay,
Yep.
and you will learn a back front end as well. React. If you need, but you need to spend some time there.
Hmm.
You understand my point?
Yes.
And do one more thing, Bhairav. Just create a one account on this Atlas, MongoDB Atlas. Okay. and there we will get a one connection string of a database. Okay,
Okay.
MongoDB
Actually,
Atlas.
MongoDB Atlas. It's online or something.
Online,
Okay. Okay.
so that we can use that database as well.
Okay.
You
Okay.
understand my point?
Yes.
For backend, we require two things. One is OpenAI key, and another one is this MongoDB. Here you are able to see this. If we need to use more local, then we need to use this way. Otherwise, we need to, if you go with that cloud one, then we don't require local setup. You understand my point?
Huh. Okay.
If you require local setup, then you need to set up. Otherwise, you can go with Atlas and get a key, the string.
So is Postgres we are using? So can we do it on Postgres if it is okay?
Means I use NoSQL there because right now maybe we need to change some parts or schema.
Okay.
And NoSQL is you can say flexible. If you go with a SQL, maybe we need to do lot of things. That's why. And right now we are not learning any database. We are learning the agentic AI. You
Okay.
understand my point?
Okay. Okay. So MongoDB Atlas online account I have to create. Okay.
Yes. I will send you can say instruction there. No worries. And I will put this file as well and share this. Okay.
Okay.
Let me stop the recording. So rest of the part we will do in the next class. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.